Well, we've had quite the change in temperatures over the last 24 hours. Yesterday, we were in the upper 70s to low 80s, look at that 75 degrees. But as we headed throughout the afternoon, a cold front came through with that squall line and really cleared us out and cooled us off. And this morning, we were in the lower 40s. And with that cold front, we had quite a severe weather event across much of the eastern half of the U.S. Some 658 storm reports in the last 24 hours, about 20 tornado reports, mostly a widespread wind event, quite a bit of damage anywhere from Kentucky all the way down to the Gulf Coast. And that storm system continues to push off the eastern Atlantic coast and should continue to move that way. But for the rest of today, it's a beautiful blue sky outside here in Starkville. Look at that. Not a cloud in the sight. 49 degrees, dew point of 32. Remember, those dew points were in the 70s yesterday. They have tumbled behind that cold front, and that's because of that northwest wind at 9 miles per hour. And we're pretty cool all across the Magnolia State. 49 in Tunica to only 50 in Meridian, and it's cool across much of the southeast as that front has rapidly pushed off to the south and east. And on these last few frames, you can see it pushing off into Florida and Georgia, giving us a lot of blue and clear skies across much of the southeast. And as we look off to the west towards Texas and New Mexico, those clear conditions go all the way out that way, and that's going to continue as a high pressure system continues to influence our weather. Sitting over Texas as we head throughout the day, it's bringing that northwest wind, that cooler, drier air into our area. But as we head throughout tonight and into tomorrow, those temperatures are going to start to warm as warm Gulf air gets pulled up and north ahead of that system. But with that high pressure so close, our conditions are going to be fairly clear and calm the next few days. Clear skies as we head through Tuesday and into Wednesday. Not a chance of rain in sight. We have to look towards Thursday before we even see some clouds, and they're going to stay off to our west and continue to stay off to our west. I don't expect those to move into our direction, and that's going to make way for a beautiful week on tap starting today. Much cooler today, 65 degrees, a really pleasant day outside after those warm, humid conditions yesterday. Tonight, those winds go calm, and we look at that. We bottom out in the mid to upper 30s, 37 degrees, clear and cold. But tomorrow we will rebound very nicely, 73 degrees, a lot of sunshine, a beautiful spring day on tap. And that's just the beginning of what looks to be a fantastic week ahead. Thursday, 78 degrees. Look at that, mid 80s by Friday and into Saturday. Overnight lows after 37 tomorrow morning. Rebound rapidly up into the mid-60s, and we should stay dry until what looks to be Sunday, when our next chance of rain looks to come in Sunday night into Monday, but it shouldn't really be that big of an event. This has been your Campus Connect forecast. Thanks for logging on.